So in our algebra last period we have learned operations on sets. We have learned union of two sets, disjoint sets and intersection of two sets. Now we will learn the number of elements in a set and we will have some word problems. Now we will see number of elements in a set. Now see here. So A is the set. The elements of A are 3, 6, 9, 12, 50. So how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here 5 elements are there. In set A, 5 elements. So in symbol, this can be written like this. Number of A is equal to 5. That means in set A there are 5 elements and symbolically it is written as number of A is equal to 5 and it is read as number of A is equal to 5. Now similarly we can write number of B. Now how many elements are there in set B? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There are 6 elements. So number of B is equal to 6. So in this way the number of elements in the set is written. Now there is a relation in between. Suppose A and B are two sets. Set A, set B, A union B, and already we have studied union of two sets, intersection of two sets. Okay. Now see here, there is a relation in between these terms. That means number A. Number of A means number of elements in set A. Number of B means number of elements in set B. Number of A union B means number of elements in the set A union B. And number of A intersection B. That means number of elements in the set A intersection B. Now see here, there is a relation in these 4 terms. That relation is given by the formula. That formula now we will learn now. Now here suppose if A and B are two sets, then the relation between the terms, these terms, number of A, number of B, number of A union B and number of A intersection B. These are the 4 terms. So the relation between these 4 terms is given by this formula. Number of A union B is equal to number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. This relation is shown by this formula. Number of A union B is equal to number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. Now we will solve some examples using this formula. Now here practice set 1.4, question number 1. Now if number of A is equal to 15, number of A union B is equal to 29, number of A intersection B is equal to 7, then number of B is equal to how many? So you have to find the elements of set B. So how many elements are there in set B? Now see here, the given information is that the elements of sets, number of elements of set A 15. There are 15 elements in set A. There are 29 elements in the union of A and B. There are 7 elements in the intersection of A and B. So you have to find the how many elements are there in set B. Now here, given number of A is equal to 15. These are the given 3 terms, and we have to find the 4th remaining term. Any 3 out of 4 terms, any 3 terms are given, and to find the remaining term, we can use the formula. So here we have to find. So use the formula. Number of A union B is equal to number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. Now put the values here. Number of A union B is given 29. Number of A is equal to 15. We have to find this. So number of B as it is minus number of A intersection B is equal to 7. Therefore 29 is equal to 15 minus 7, we get here 8. Now to find the number of B, we get 29 minus 8. Here we get 21. So there are 21 elements in set B. So this is your answer. Now second word example. In a hostel there are 125 students, out of which 80 out of 125 students, 80 students drink tea, 60 students drink coffee, and 20 drink tea and coffee both. Find the number of students who do not drink tea or coffee. Now here, one set is of students who drink tea. The other set is of students who drink coffee. And third set is of students who drink both tea and coffee. So we have to use here the concept of number of elements in the set. Now we will name these sets here. Okay. Now here, let A be the set of students who drink tea, and B be the set of students who drink coffee. Now, according to the example given in the example, out of it 80 students drink tea. So that means here in set A there are 80 elements. Therefore, number of A is equal to 80. The students who drink tea are 80. So number of A, that means in set A there are 80 elements. Number of B. How many students drink coffee? B is the set of students who drink coffee. That means number of B is equal to 16. And number of students who drink both tea and coffee. That means those students are in set A also and in set B also. That means they are in the intersection of A and B. Those 20 students are in the intersection of set A and B. Because these 20 students drink both tea and coffee. So these elements are in both the sets common. Therefore, this set is the intersection of A and B. Now we will find number of A union B. That means we will find the number of students who drink either coffee or tea or both. So here, therefore, number of A union B is equal to number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. So here number of A is equal to 80, number of B is equal to 60, 20. 80 plus 60 we get 140 minus 20. Therefore, $120. That means out of 125 students, there are 125 students in the hostel. Out of 125 students, 120 students either they drink tea or coffee or both. So the remaining students out of 125, they do not drink both any one of the drink, nor tea nor coffee. So the number of students who do not drink tea or coffee is equal to total students 125 minus 120 equal to 5. So our answer is 5. 5 students do not drink tea or coffee. So in this way we can solve examples using the concept of number of elements in the set. So now in our next period we will start our second chapter, the real numbers.